In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change gender in GTA 5 Online. First, go to GTA 5 Online, click Escape, go to Online, go to Swap Character, then click Select, and then OK. And then over here, you will be able to swap the gender and change the gender. So let's just wait for this to load. Okay, so let's see here. I believe it should be here. Okay, so I'll first start by deleting this character, and then I'll just delete this one. Now I will have like these new characters, so I'll just go with this one. Let's go with this one. Okay, let's click on edit, and you should be able to edit it over here. So in this place you should have the options to edit the gender. So if you click okay, there it is. So if you click just like male or female over here, you can change the gender, as you can see. So I'll just keep it male, for example. Click save and continue, then select, and then okay, then accept. And now it's just gonna take a few seconds to load. Do you want to skip the GTA? Yes, yeah. Now we'll just wait for this to load, and it will land me in my new character. Okay, finally it loaded, and I'm just gonna wait for it. And there you go, this is my character, and with the changed gender. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.